Hey guys, today I have my Arrma Big Rock, the I guess it's version 3, the V3 BLX, and it's been in a box since last year, last October, I guess. It broke the rear diff, got all stripped out, and so did one of the main drive gears there to the rear diff, and I think it's called the input gear. And I just forgot that I actually bought the extra, paid like the $34 and got the extra warranty for 3 years. And I just threw the thing in the box because I had so many RCs coming to me at that time that I just kind of forgot about it. And I actually was going through some of my older RCs, pulled it out, and there it was. And I contacted Horizon Hobby, and lo and behold, with Amazon and everything, I went through Amazon. I have the extra warranty, so they sent me the rear diff and the input gear both, which were both stripped out, and I was able to fix that thing in no time. It took me, man, not even 15 minutes, and now I got it out here on. It's all stock. The only thing I did change was I put a steel spur gear on it. When I first stripped out the rear diff, I was thinking it was the spur gear that was stripped, the reason why I wasn't going. And when I tore it all down, I realized it wasn't after I already purchased the spur gear. So I went ahead and changed the spur gear out anyway, and I had it, so why not? But I got it on 3S, obviously. I don't think it'll run on 2S. I've never tried it, but actually I might try it someday, just see what it does do. I'm running with a 100C Zeee lipo. It's an 8,000 mAh, so it's a rather big 3S battery. That way I can get some run time, because this thing, I know it drinks some batteries. It likes those lipos. But let's give it some gas here and see what it does. I'm going to run it in the woods, see if it goes anywhere. I got the original controller, and it's nice and small enough where I can do a one-handed steering pretty easy. This thing will get up and move. It's one of my fastest ones. Just remember, everything's stock on this thing, even down to the tires. Every nut and bolt is all original. The only thing different is that spur gear, and I added the extra protection for, I was going to do some jumps with it and stuff, so I figured I would go ahead and get these scratch bars, whatever you call them, scuff bars. I got the one on the front. It's really cool. It says Big Rock. And I also got, to keep all the leaves out of it, I got one of those mesh screens that you Velcro to it. It's really nice. I believe I got that from Amazon also. And I also used shoe glue and fiberglass tape. And I lined the whole inside of the body with all that. I was just getting it ready to go to do skate park videos and stuff, and I just never made it to the skate park. Actually, they closed the skate park down I was going to go to, and they just opened a new one up just about a month or so ago. So I need to try it out sometime. So with a skate park down and this thing breaking on me, I just put it up and shelved it for a rainy day. This thing being so fast, man, I don't know how to do down here in the woods. I'm just testing different ones out and seeing how well they are as trail trucks. I do a lot of hiking and stuff, and I like to take them with me. And is it worth taking something like this with me? We'll find out. I have just enough control with it seems, that I could use it as a trail truck if I really had to. Not a terrible one either. It's got the power. Definitely fun doing donuts on a bunch of leaves. It's got the power. It's definitely at home out here in a field or on the roads, on streets, in parking lots, big open areas. All right, guys, I was just showing you the big rock. We was gonna see what it could do out in the woods. It actually did better than I thought it would. I figured it'd be cogging a lot, but no, I had a lot more slow speed control than I was expecting. But hit me up with a like and subscribe, guys, and have a good one.